Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I've got some exciting leaks about the upcoming iQOO 13 that you won't want to miss. From display to battery life and even some juicy design details, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the display. The iQOO 13 is rumored to feature a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That's right, 144 Hz. It means buttery, smooth scrolling and an enhanced gaming experience. And with a resolution of 3200 x 1440, you can expect sharp, vibrant visuals that are sure to impress. Now let's chat about the battery. Leaks suggest that the iQOO 13 will pack a 5000 mAh battery. But here's the kicker. It's rumored to support 120W fast charging. Imagine this. You're down to 1% battery, and in just 20 minutes, you're back to 100%. It's a game changer, especially for those always on the go. All right, on to the design. The iQOO 13 is expected to continue with the sleek and modern design language of its predecessors. We're talking a slim profile, possibly around 8.5 mm thick and a weight of about 200 grams. But what's really catching everyone's attention is the rumor of a ceramic back. Yep, you heard that right, a ceramic back. This not only gives the phone a premium feel, but also enhances durability. Let's not forget about the camera setup. While details are still sparse, early leaks hint at a triple camera array with a 108MP primary sensor. Combine that with enhanced AI capabilities and you're looking at a mobile photography powerhouse. One more thing before I wrap this up, the chipset. It's rumored to come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This means blazing fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is built to fly, so there you have it, the iQOO 13 leaks in a nutshell. From a high refresh rate display and massive battery to a sleek design and powerful internals, this phone is shaping up to be a serious contender in the smartphone market. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. I'm signing off, but stay tuned for more leaks and reviews. Techdevil watermark.